I'm Charlie Anderson from Dreamworx Roofing, and today I want to go through what a lifetime warranty on a roof shingle is, what it actually means, and how long a shingle roof realistically will last you. We hear a lot from all the different manufacturers in the game, all the big boys say they come with a lifetime warranty. And I feel it's my duty as a roofing business owner to educate our consumers on what that actually means, because the word lifetime does not always mean what we think it means. And especially in this case, it can be a little bit misleading. So I wanted to clear the air by making this video. So stay tuned as we walk through what a lifetime warranty actually means with roof shingles. So if you were to open up any major shingle manufacturer's warranty booklet or look at their warranty paperwork, you're going to see the word lifetime. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but lifetime does not mean for your entire life. What lifetime means is the amount of time in which you, the original owner, own the property. You can also transfer it to another homeowner, but that's what lifetime means in this circumstance. So what a lifetime warranty actually covers is manufacturing defects. And a manufacturing defect can be defined as anything from something that's going to cause all the granules to fall off the shingles or the fiberglass to come bursting out, or there's a whole plethora of things, but a lifetime warranty covers you for the lifetime that you own the home against manufacturing defects. So we couldn't make a video about a lifetime warranty only covering manufacturer defects without kind of also answering the next question, which was, well, if they're not going to last a lifetime, how long are they actually going to last? So in our experience here in the Northeast, right, we get rain, snow, winter, fall, summer heat, you name it, we get it here. In this area is where we see shingles kind of last the least amount of time. So in our experience here in our central Pennsylvania market, we're seeing shingled roofs last anywhere from 25 to 30 years. Now, all the manufacturers are going to cover for that lifetime warranty kind of caps in non-prorates after about 50 years, right? There's a prorated period that starts after, year 51 and on if your shingles do last that long. But we're seeing shingles, like I said, last around that 25 to 30 year mark. And to explain why that happens, especially here in central Pennsylvania, is right now in this time of year, right? We're in the beginning of November right now. This morning it was 36 degrees. Shingles contract because it's cold. And as the day kind of warms up, in the end of this day, kind of towards the afternoon, around 3 o'clock, we're going to be looking at 70 degrees. So what happens when it hits that 75, 70 degree mark? Well, the shingles start to expand again. And that continual expansion and contraction and expansion and contraction in this time of year is going to start to slowly erode away that asphalt and the pliability that it has. Now we come to winter. You have a sheet of ice on your roof, and that sheet of ice melts during the day, refreezes at night, melts during the day, refreezes at night. You kind of get where I'm going with this, is there's a lot of really harsh weather that faces our shingles sometimes on a daily, monthly, weekly basis here in the Pennsylvania market. So all in all, we wanted to make this video because we want to be upfront and forthcoming with our customers that when we say there's a lifetime warranty, this is what it actually means. You're covered against manufacturing defects for the lifetime that you own the house. Your shingles realistically are not going to last a lifetime. They're going to last you around 25 or 30 years, but there are ways to maximize that coverage when it comes time to buy a new roof. So the best way to maximize the amount of protection that you're getting out of this big investment of a new roof is to find a factory certified contractor. So all the major manufacturers, GAF, Owens Corning, IKO, Atlas, Certainteed, you name it, they all have some kind of factory certification process where a contractor is, trained and screened and goes through continual education, and in most cases, not all, but in most cases, they go through some inspections, right, to make sure that the products are getting installed per the manufacturer's specifications. So when the contractors are in those kind of programs, the manufacturers will allow you to sell what we call an enhanced warranty or an upgraded warranty, extended warranty. That gives you some workmanship coverage. So the workmanship coverage is actually backed by the manufacturer. So, if, 7 or 8 years from now, the contractor who installed your roof that was factory certified is no longer answering his phone, out of business, closed down, whatever it may be, the manufacturer will actually back up that workmanship warranty for whatever period is set in that particular warranty. Some of them are 10 years, some are 20 years, some are 30 years, I believe. It's all a matter of what contractor that you're using and what manufacturer that contractor is using. But there are ways, this is not all doom and gloom, there are ways to maximize and get the most protection out, but we definitely recommend finding a factory certified contractor so that you can get that workmanship coverage if that manufacturer does offer it.